how to pronounce the name of the popular shopping website. In this short video, I'm going to tell you how you pronounce the name of this popular shopping website app. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So you've probably heard of this shopping website by now. You've probably either visited the website or, as I'm doing here, looking at the mobile app. You've probably heard your friends or other people pronouncing the name, and there's probably a bit of confusion on how you actually pronounce it. So there's actually two ways. So this is actually a name of a person as well. And if you were pronouncing the name of the person, you'd pronounce it as Shein. But it's a little bit different for the website app. And the owner of the website has come out and said the way to pronounce this word is Shein. So separated into two, so Shein, and say it a bit quicker, so Shein. And that's how you pronounce the name of this popular website and app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.